If your pool looks crystal clear, that means it's clean and safe, right? It's what most pool owners believe. But here's the truth. Some of the most dangerous pools I ever came across look absolutely perfect. Mirror smooth surface, no cloudiness, not a speck of debris, but underneath that shine, bacteria, parasites, and invisible contaminants just waiting for someone to dive in. And if you're only going by what your eyes can see, you're already behind. Stick with me because at the end of this video, I'm going to share facts most people don't even know about. And it could make your pool genuinely healthier, not just prettier. Let's break down one of the biggest myths in pool care. If the water is clear, it must be clean. On the surface, that makes sense. Look at your pool, it's sparkling, you can see the bottom, it looks inviting, safe even. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Clarity doesn't mean it's clean. What you're seeing is a result of filtration, not sanitization. Filters remove visible debris like dirt, leaves, and suspended particles. But what they don't remove are real health threats. Things like bacteria, like E. coli, viruses like norovirus, and chlorine-resistant parasites like cryptosporidium. All of that completely invisible and incredibly dangerous. Yes, your pool can be crystal clear and still be biologically unsafe. Want proof? The CDC found that 1 in every 8 public pools fail health inspections due to poor chlorine or pH levels. And these aren't dirty, neglected pools. These are pools that look perfectly fine at resorts, gyms, or even people's backyards. Clear water means nothing if chemistry isn't right. So how does this happen? Most of the time it comes down to 3 things. 1. People rely only on what the water looks like. 2. They don't test often enough. And 3. They forget to adjust after hot days or heavy use. Sunlight burns off chlorine faster than you think. And a weekend full of swimmers, sweat, and sunscreen, that's enough to throw off your pool's water chemistry. Let me ask you, when was the last time you tested your chlorine? Or your pH? Or even your cyanuric acid levels? Be honest. If you're like most pool owners, you probably wait until the water looks cloudy or smells a little weird. But by the time your water looks off, you already have a problem. Now here's a tip for you. Pool enzymes. These aren't sanitizers, they're enzyme-based additives. And they break down body oils, sunscreen, sweat, and other organic gunk. The stuff chlorine has to work extra hard to kill. When you use enzymes regularly, your chlorine lasts longer, your filter stays cleaner, and the water becomes easier to balance. Plus, you reduce the formation of chloramines, the stuff that causes red eyes and that strong chemical smell. Most DIY pool owners have never heard of them, but the pros, they swear by them. Let's recap. Clear water isn't clean water. Filtration handles what you can see, and sanitizers handle what you can't. Testing your pool water once a week, not optional, it's essential. And pool enzymes, that's your secret weapon to make chlorine work smarter, not harder. So next time someone tells you, don't worry, the water looks fine, you'll know better. If you want to bust more pool myths and learn pro-level tips, check out our other videos right here, because clear water can fool you, but knowledge never will.